As y'all know, I've been watching the Richmond. Really growing, and beautiful sunset. This is good, you guys. In 10 days, it comes out 11/11/11, but you can see the trailer now. Thrive.
I'll show you something from above. You know, 11/11/11, first of all, is a DNA number for transition. You know, it ought to be a vibrational shift is what they call it. And then there's going to be this transformation of the human race into...
We've got November 11th. Reminder. This is pretty serious right there.
Done has been to expose an alien breeding with the human race.
Hoover Dam, you guys. New 50. Old 50. Hoover Dam.
Then, I want to show you something else. It's the female reproductive system. Look at it. The ovaries going here.
The yellow spots show earthquakes that have not been deleted, and the small red circles show those earthquakes that have been deleted.
Thank you. How's it true? It's true. This is the Commonwealth, Virginia. This is why having a copy of the Constitution might not do you any good, but it's definitely worth a try. This a while ago.
A British Nobel Prize winning biochemist and president of Rockefeller University.
100 an ounce, then 400 an ounce. Silver quadruples. Everyone wants to sell, but no one has any.
Divide the 7 into 70, the doubling time is 10 years. Seeding growth. For example, when we put 8 grains on the fourth square, the 8 is larger than the total of 7 that were already there. Well, we can guess that King thought this foolish man. I was ready to give him a real reward. 400 times the 1990 worldwide harvest of 5% per year. You divide the 5 into 70, you find that growing quantity will double in size every 14 years.
Be safe, everyone. Have a nice day. Vibrations from here. Signing out.
that it's evolution. Well, you know, we all want to change the world. But when you talk about destruction, don't you know that you can count me out? Don't you know it's gonna be alright? Alright. Alright. You say you got a real solution. Well, you know, we'd all love to see the plan. You ask me for a contribution. Well, you know, we all doing what we can. But if you want money for people with minds that hate, all I can tell you is, brother, you have to wait. You know it's gonna be alright. 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 Constitution, well, you know, we all want to change your head. You tell me it's the institution, well, you know, you better free your mind instead.